Summer is here, and if you don't know what to drink this summer, I got you. Today we're making 5 iconic cocktails that you will miss if you don't try them this summer. Blue Hawaiian, Piña Colada, Coconut Mojito, Frozen Margarita, and the last one, the most popular summer cocktail and my personal favorite out of all of them. Stay till the end to find out. By the end of this video, I will also share 3 fun facts about cocktails that will blow your mind. Let's get started. The Blue Hawaiian. This drink was invented in 1957 in Hawaii. And look at it. You already know why it's still here. It's delicious, tropical, and very refreshing. Let's make it. For this, you need a blender. Let's start with 1 cup of ice, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of blue curacao, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Let's close it, blend it. Okay, get a hurricane glass and pour the cocktail inside. Ooh, look at that beautiful core. That's a good Blue Hawaiian. Garnish with pineapple and cocktail cherry.
And there you have the perfect Blue Hawaiian.
Cocktail number 2, the Piña Colada. This drink was born in 1954 in Puerto Rico. 1 bartender, 3 ingredients. And it becomes so iconic, and Puerto Rico made it their national drink. To make it, you need a blender, 1 cup of ice, 2 ounces of white rum, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and cream of coconut. 1 ounce. Blend it. Perfect. Get a hurricane glass, pour the colada inside the glass. And remember, not coconut milk, not coconut cream, cream of coconut. This is what make it good. This is what make it real.
And there you have the perfect Piña Colada.
Fun fact part. But before we get to cocktail number 3, I want to share with you 3 fun facts about cocktails that you won't believe. And remember, we still have that last cocktail coming. Fun fact number 1. Rum was once used as a currency. In the 1700s, sailors were paid in rum instead of money. The Royal Navy paid their sailors in rum instead of money every single day at 11 a.m. A bell would ring on the ship, and every sailor would line up to get their daily rum ration. Fun fact number 2, blue curacao. Blue curacao, the blue liquor in our first cocktails and many, is actually orange flavor. It's like a triple sec but blue. Blue core, orange flavor, nobody talks about it, but the core is nice. Fun fact number 3, pineapple. Pineapple used to be so rare and expensive, people would rent them for parties just to show off. Back in the 1700s, 1 single pineapple would cost $8,000 today. People would display a pineapple at their dinner party just to show off how rich they were. Okay, enough talking, let's make some drinks. Number 3 is Coconut Mojito, fresh, minty, and one of the most refreshing summer drinks you will ever make.
So get a lime, cut in half, then cut that half in 4 pieces and add them to the mojito glass. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of coconut rum. I'm using Malibu. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Muddle everything. Muddle everything very good. We're going to need 5-6 mint leaves, and we're going to swap them and drop them in the glass, and then gentle muddle so we don't make it bitter.
Then we need a crushed ice. It's very important to use crushed ice so make the cocktail colder for longer.
Okay, add the crushed ice,
and then top it off with 3 ounces of club soda. Stir everything very good so the ingredients mix very well.
Garnish with mint and lime wedge.
And there you have the perfect coconut mojito. The Frozen Margarita, the most ordered cocktail in America every single year without competition. And when you make it frozen at home, it becomes something else entirely. Let's make it. Add 1 cup of ice, 2 ounces of tequila blanco, 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec, 1 ounce fresh lime juice. Remember, always use fresh. From 1 lime you get 1 ounce of lime juice. Perfect. Then add half ounce of agave syrup or simple syrup if you don't have this, and blend everything together. Perfect. Now let's rim the glass with the hint rim.
We're going to get a little bit tahini, a little bit agave syrup on the plate.
We're going to get nice giant margarita glass.
We're going to dip in the agave syrup. We're going to add the hint rim.
You can add salt
Or sugar. Now after your rim is ready, let's pour the margarita.
Wow, look at that beautiful frozen margarita. Yes.
And garnish with a lime wheel. And there you have the perfect frozen classic margarita.
Okay, and finally we're at the last but not least cocktail, Corona Sunrise. Come on guys, there's nothing better than a cold beer in a hot summer night. So let me show you how to make it.
Let's open.
Oh my God!
Remove the beer down to the sticker. Once you empty the beer, it's time to add 1.5 ounces tequila. Then you need 1 ounce of lime juice. So we're gonna cut 1 lime and measure 1 ounce of lime juice. And add the lime juice inside the beer. Perfect. And we're going to add 1/2 ounce of grenadine and garnish with the lime inside the beer. And there you have Corona Sunrise.
If you're still with me, I can say your summer mixologics are ready. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button.
Cheers and enjoy!